Hey everybody, out in the garage. I'm going to do a little quick test on my batteries. See what things are charged at. 13.6. Wow, that's perfect. Let's see what this is putting in. What's that array? 13.9. It's putting out 13.6. So it's trickling this stuff as the batteries are charged. I've got to draw these down. So, how am I going to do that? I think I'm just going to do that with the inverter and plug something in like a light. Oh, I'll use my little heater. Because why not use a little heater? It makes this whine a little bit. Let's see if I turn this up. Overload. I think I figured out why I overloaded it. It's 1500 watts. So yeah, that'll overload my 1000 watt inverter. But it's heating and the fan's on. 12.52. So they've dropped quickly. That much drop. I wonder why. Since I'm out here, I'm gonna try this thing out. It's pretty sure it's fake. From what's inside there's no inductors, so it's a fake MPPT controller. I want to test it just so I can give some numbers when I email these people and say, hey, this is a fake MPPT controller. So my panels are putting out 17.2. They're not in the sun. So that's that. Let's undo the battery and we'll hook this baby up. I've hooked up the battery. It says it's 12.4. Let's do a quick test and see what it's actually at. See if we're close. 12.52, so it's a little bit off. Let's hook up our solar now. This says it's battery's at 12.4. It's charging 5 degrees Celsius. Oh, look, it's got an amp meter. Amp hours. 14.2 is maximum. 12.6 is power. Cut off at 10. 24 hour. Okay, there we are back. The load's on. Out of the box. Load's off now. We're going to test our solar controller now, which is right there. See what's happening here. Positive, negative. 15.82. Let's check the battery side. 15.22. So it's doing a PWM type of charging. It's not doing MPPT. What do you do, eh? I'll email these guys and let them know that they're screwing people. What do we got there? Okay, that's the load off. Load off. Load on. 15.22. Oh no, it's 12. I'm reading it here. It says 15. Okay. So it's 12.22. What do you do, right? I'll email those guys. Get my $20 back. There should be a $20 MPPT charge controller out there. But doesn't look like there is, not yet. This little guy worked like a champ. It's not MPPT, it's PWM, but it worked really well. Yeah. I'll leave that there and let it go and charge for a bit. See what happens. See what we get from it. So I've emailed that guy I got the solar charger from. The latest, the fake MPPT solar charger. And we'll see what happens. I bought it on eBay and paid with PayPal, so I'm guaranteed to get my money back. It's just see what the seller says. It'll be interesting. Well, who knows what they'll say. I'm off right now to go give blood. The girls have taken off. They've gone downtown to a fabric store, presumably to get some fabric. So I'm sure we don't have enough of it in the house. I won.
All right, Marty.
Well, that's it. Let's give him blood. Good for another month and a half. Back in May. It's turned out to be a nice day. It says it's 17 degrees Celsius. It's the car that says that. It's a little windy, but I'm glad I just wore the vest, that's for sure. Now I'm going to head back home and I'm going to put that heater back on so it'll discharge those batteries a bit and we can charge them back up. I just heard that tomorrow's the first day of spring, so that means I can get on a few things. I'm going to take the snowblower back over to the shop, put it away, and while I'm doing that, I'll grab my summer tires, bring them over to Heidi's so I can change the tires there. And what else? I'll have to get the siren over to the shop at some point so I can go get the McGregor. We'll get working on it, get it in the driveway. Okay, so this thing says it's charging 8 degrees Celsius. It's charging at 1 amp, it says. Load is 0. Let's put a load on there. Yeah, let's plug in my phone and see what type of a load that does. I didn't test the USB yet. Okay, it says it's charging, so let's take a look here. 8 degrees Celsius, 1 amp going in, 0 amp going out. Says it's charging. Maybe it's too small. 1 amp hour. Is that what I've brought in? Is 1 amp hour? I'm gonna have to read these instructions. They look like the same ones as the other ones, but I haven't read them. My favorite part is the PWM thing that's blocked out. Okay, it says my batteries are at 13.8 right now. Let's give that a test. 13.95. So that's a little off. So I've gone and turned this fan on again. We'll see what happens. That's the heater on low, and it works. No warm cables. Not going to leave the heater on. I am going to leave the fan on and see what this is going to do. Oh, we're down to 12.8, 12.9. Going to go in. I'll read this and see what's up. I'll let that go for half an hour, maybe an hour. We'll come back and see what we've got. I got to get some iron back in me, so I'm going to eat a lot of steak. I'm going to... Oh, no, I'm not going to wrap it up here. I got to go back outside and check that out for it. Gonna wrap it up. Okay, let's test our battery again. It's been half an hour. What are we at here? Okay, 13.3. So it's 13.2 on the controller. I've had the fan going here since I've for half an hour now. So that's promising. I like that. I'm going to turn it off now though, and just let it charge up. Power. I'll unplug it too. So I'll let it just do its thing and charge now for the rest of the day. Okay, we're on our amp meter there. Can I do this, or am I going to blow that fuse? Let's see. 1.88 amps coming from the panel. And let's see. Yeah, that's an overload. Can't do the battery side unless I unhook it. The battery, so let's see what we're getting out. Nothing. Nothing. I blew that fuse again. Let's go down to the 2 amp one. Well, I think that counts as a stupid mistake. Just hooking up the amp meter to the output of the solar controller, not even thinking that's going to get the battery amps, which are more than 10. So I'll have to replace the fuse again. It's a good thing I bought a bunch of them. I'm going to wrap it up. What is this? Okay, we're still charging. I'll leave that to charge, and we'll see what we get tomorrow. So, it says 13.4. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Click clicky things, and stay away from these blue solar chargers. If you're looking for an MPPT, don't go with those. Oh, look. Golly. Got my Band-Aid. Okay, thanks for watching.